So we just had a pretty big storm here in Kansas City, and a lot of people are seeing that they had grape, even ping pong size hail. The best siding product you put in your home to protect against that is a masonry product. So brick's obviously fantastic, but so is James Hardie Fiber Cement because it's 90% Portland cement and sand. A little known fact, most insurance companies actually give you the full masonry discount if you actually use James Hardie siding versus like a vinyl or wood. A lot of times it's only like $100 benefit to you, the homeowner, a year. But think about the third-party endorsement. When does State Farm, Allstate, any insurance company give you money back, right? That's kind of not in their DNA. They assess risk and they print money kind of no matter whatever happens. So it's a really great third-party endorsement for why you want to use James Hardie Fiber Cement siding against hail and against storms, because it is warranted against hail damage. It is extremely impact resistant versus vinyl siding is extremely prone to hail damage, okay? One of the things going on in my industry right now is there's been so many more storms and so many hailstorms over the last 5 to 10 years. Most insurance companies now will not give you a full replacement. So if you have one side of your house completely shredded by vinyl, literally where it looks like Swiss cheese, they'll only give you partial money to replace that one side of your house. Well, what do you do if it doesn't match, right? Because the thing with vinyl is it fades. Even if it's only a 10-year-old vinyl, and I can get the exact same product, it will not look the same, let alone if it's been discontinued or it's 20 years old. So a huge problem is if you have James Hardie Fiber Cement siding and a hailstorm comes through, you might have to repaint or touch up some boards, but it's gonna look fantastic. And you might even have to do that. If you have vinyl siding, you might have a case where you have to replace 1 or 2 walls, but insurance isn't gonna cover it, or they'll only cover those walls. Now you have a house that doesn't match. So what do you do now, right? As a homeowner, a lot of times you gotta come out of pocket to replace the rest of the house. And that's not something you were expecting, right? So James Hardie Fiber Cement and brick are significantly more durable and weather resistant against hail damage.